Today on How to 365, we'll be taking a dive into Editor, a feature that works across Word, Word Online, the Edge browser, and soon the Outlook mobile app. Today we're just going to stick with Word and the Edge browser. Microsoft Editor is your intelligent writing assistant. Editor uses the same AI-powered features available on Microsoft Word that helps you create easy-to-read documents. The difference? You can take Editor with you across the web so you can confidently write clear, mistake-free posts online. To use the full features of Editor, you'll need to be subscribed to Microsoft 365 Family or Personal. We'll start with the Word app. Word has of course had spelling and grammar functions for years. You'll notice that you now have an editor icon on the top right corner of the screen. This is now where you can easily see suggested corrections and refinements. When you are ready, simply select a category. Notice how as we correct each issue, it highlights the part of the document where it was spotted and gives you different options depending on the word or phrasing. With Editor on Word, you can check for spelling, grammar, clarity, conciseness, formality, and punctuation conventions. Within settings, you can also choose to show readability statistics. This means that when you next open Editor, you'll see an additional window with word count, averages, and readability. This will appear only once you've cleared all suggestions. What you see here is just the start. The future of Editor can be seen when you use Word Online. Using the same Microsoft account, simply open a document on Word Online and, as before, select Editor, which should be on the right. Keep in mind that the free version of Word Online will only suggest basic spelling and grammar. All other refinements and suggestions require a Microsoft 365 subscription. You will notice that we now have additional statistics, with our total suggestions now split into corrections and refinements. As before, you can select each category and work through all the suggestions, with each one being highlighted in the document. In this version of Editor, we also see more refinement categories, including inclusiveness, sensitive geopolitical references, and vocabulary. As well as that, you can see various statistics like your document's readability, distinct words, how long it takes to read, as well as how long it takes to speak. Seeing how long it takes to speak is particularly useful if you're going to record narration like we are. Lastly, we will look at the Editor extension. You can download the extension to the new Edge browser via the Edge Extension Store. Head to your settings on the right, select Extensions, then in the new window select Get Extensions from the Microsoft Store. You can then search for Editor, or if it's there, select it from the front screen. Install the extension, then log in with the same Microsoft account. You now have the power to check spelling, grammar, and more across various websites. We'll use LinkedIn as an example of what you can do. Here you can see I'm creating a post for LinkedIn. Editor will look out for various errors and highlight them once it has spotted something. Simply left-click the highlighted text and Editor will show you different options to correct your sentence. No more accidental misspellings or the wrong usage of your or their anymore. This can be extremely useful for your social posts, whether that's on Facebook, Twitter, or an online forum. For more help with Microsoft Editor, visit support.office.com, and for those of you watching who work in computing retail, don't forget to visit Expert Zone. That's Microsoft Editor, that's all things Microsoft.